My presentation will be brief. It's very general and hopefully some information that can help you with your clients, and just a run through of WES's services and some of the findings that we found through our research stats. So for anyone who is looking to go back to school, any one of your clients, they will need to get their credentials assessed, not necessarily through WES, but maybe through the university or the college or some other third-party agency that does credential evaluation. But that will be one of the requirements among others. So as Sophia mentioned, there are many barriers that clients face, and one of the biggest barriers that we found is that there is a lack of credential recognition. And with that, there is a big difference between credential recognition and credential evaluation. Credential evaluation is the comparison, or the international academic credentials compared to the Canadian standard, while the credential recognition, that is the acceptance of the international academic credentials. So some of the clients that I see, or a lot of the clients that I see, there is confusion around credential evaluation and credential recognition. They think just because you get your credentials evaluated, that will automatically mean that your credentials would be recognized. And that is not the case, right? So understanding who gives the credential recognition would really help you advise your clients best. So we know that the recognition piece actually belongs to the employer, the licensing body, the academic institutions, the colleges, the universities. They are the ones to give recognition for international academic credentials. Okay. There are 7 agencies across Canada that do provide credential evaluation. You could just visit that website or visit CICIC to find the comparison chart. There are differences between the services, but just have a look and compare. So did you want that? If you visit CICIC's website, you could just look up the comparison chart. And will the slides be available later? Yeah, so I guess the slides will be available for you guys to have later as well. Last year, we completed roughly 10,000 evaluation reports. And of those, 45% of those clients are looking to pursue further education, almost half, followed by employment, then licensure. And of all those clients that did apply, over 90% already had post-secondary degrees, or post-secondary education, or higher. And as Sophia mentioned, a lot of them are going back to school to upgrade or just to change the field or change their study. And with that piece of information, your best piece of advice to your clients is to let them know to contact the institution first. Find out exactly what the requirements are. For every institution, for every program, there are different requirements. And in one institution, they'll offer many different programs, and all of them will have a different requirement. So it's really important that you tell your clients to contact that institution to find out exactly what the requirements are for credential evaluation, as well as other requirements that the school may have. So clients who got a credential evaluation, about 75% feel that their credential evaluation helped them gain admissions into the program. There are those who did not gain admissions, and about half of them felt that it was because their credentials were not recognized. Right? So we can see that credential evaluation does help in the process, but there are many other barriers that clients face when pursuing further education. Okay. So just a quick run through of the services that WES offer. We offer 2 types of reports, the document by document or the course by course. We recommend the course by course if you are pursuing further education, which then your clients have a potential to get credit transfers or credit advancements, but the other presenters may hopefully touch upon that during their presentation. I'll also show examples of what the reports look like as well. In order to get a credential evaluation through WES, we do have specific requirements. We have a required documents website, and it is country specific. So for the details of what to submit and how to submit, just visit that link there. as well as we do authenticate all documents. So all evaluation reports that go out have an authentication statement on it. So this is an example of what the document-by-document report looks like. It's usually a one-page report, and it lets you know what the general equivalency is. So is there a bachelor's here in Canada, or the master's, or high school, whatever the credential is. The course by course, it includes the document-by-document as well. Plus, it gives you a breakdown of the transcript. So everything that is on your transcripts will be converted into Canadian grades, Canadian credits, as well as the calculated grade point average. So these two reports I showed you, they are our formal reports where you do have to submit documents to us. And we have this ICAP service. You can ICAP your document by document, or you can ICAP your course by course. This is an enhancement to the evaluation report, because what this service does is we store the transcripts and we send it out with the formal evaluation reports, the ones that I just showed you, and one complete package to any university, college, or professional licensing body. So that means your clients have access to it should they want to forward it to any institutions or academic institutions or licensing body. So they don't have to continuously contact their institution back home to send the documents directly. Okay. And the last slide, West does offer a free degree equivalency now. So what you can do is visit our website, select key information, and you will instantly preview what your candidate's Canadian equivalency is. Right? It's a simple service, takes 2 minutes. I will be here throughout the presentation, or at the end if you guys want to see a live demo. But again, it lets your clients know what they have before getting started, and it could potentially help you advise your clients in another direction, or whatever direction is best suited for the clients. And that's it for my presentation.